Stop chasing views, start building infrastructure. Here's how to 32x your traffic using TikTok search intent in 2026. Most creators are platform serfs, posting and praying that the landlord shows their stuff. That's a success penalty waiting to happen. In 2026, TikTok is a search engine, not a dance floor. Step 1. Stop asking, "What should I post?" and start asking, "What are they already typing at 2 a.m.?" Step 2. Target the misspelled pockets. Big brands are too proud to rank for keywords like passive income, but that pocket has near zero competition and massive intent. Wait, if you are getting value from this, send it to that one friend struggling with their Shopify store or that cousin with the dead Etsy shop. Save a business today. Step 3. Write answer boxes for robots so they speak your name to humans. This is how you capture share of answer and move from position 10 to position 1. Moving to the top isn't a small win, it's a 32x traffic explosion. I documented the exact search intent framework